Hi guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing great. It has been a very long time that I've come back. Well, because due to COVID and lockdown, I thought okay, I'll lock down myself at home. Hope you're all well. Yep, today you would be wondering with this full gear and all, where would we heading out to? Actually, we are heading out to the place called Avalandapeta. I hope I'm spelling it right. Avalandapeta, I think it is a hill station. It's a hilltop. So we just thought of going there. You know, we just wanted to do a quick ride. It is just almost, as per Google, it is 88 kilometers one side, right? So we are heading that side as of now. So yeah, tank is full. I'm not full, but yeah, here we go. I have few people with me, along with me. So I have Aaron, Mohsin, and Aaron and Mohsin's mutual friend. He's on a CBR. Aaron and Mohsin are on the Dominar. So guys, look at the clouds. My God, seriously, I'm not sure what's going to happen. It looks like it's going to rain cats and dogs. Oh my God. You know, this time it is actually the huh? അല്ലത് വേറെ എവിടെ ഇപ്പുറത്ത് വെച്ചാലോ? പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പുറത്ത് വെച്ചാലും ഇപ്പുറത്തോ? ദിസ് സൈഡ് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ലെറ്റ് ഇറ്റ് ബി there then. Fine. So guys, finally I'm back. Man, it was raining like anything. I was not able to record things. Man, it was very bad rain. We cleaned the visor. No one, was able to help me out yet with this mic issue. A lot of times, I have tried to fix this, but for some reason I am not able to get it sorted out. Apologies for the audio issue. So that is Aaron, that is Mohsin, this is Aaron, and they're both mutual friend. He's on the CBR, as I said previously. Look at the clouds here and look at the clouds there. Man, a promising way. You guys are very familiar with this road. This is the road towards Hyderabad and Nandi Hills. So let me reach the other side so that I can show you how it looks, right? So hold on till then and let's see how those roads look like. I'm going for the first time. Guys, you can see the line up here. A lot of riders. Huh? Puli. All police. We had a good breakfast and here we are getting prepped. So our ride is not done, just starting it now. So yeah guys, we have started towards the destination. Again, I'm very bad at these names here. Avalandapeta, I think, if I'm not wrong. Police interceptor here. That is Aaron who's going. Okay, that was quite close. That is Aaron who's going. Okay, that was forgot to tell you, I got to know about these two, this wonderful couple here. So they basically, they're doctors, and the best part is they have one of my mutual friend. So I came to know when we had breakfast, we had a discussion, so we came to know at the time. So we are all mutual friends end of the day, and we all riding together, right? And we got another 41 kilometers to cover. Oh, here we come. Unable to see any riders here today for some reason. So guys, we came to this location, but unfortunately they have closed it. They are telling bikes are not allowed until unless you want to do some puja. You need to show all those puja stuffs, and only then they will allow vehicles inside, or else you need to walk 3 kilometers inside. So what we did, we are just coming down through the other side, just seeing what is this road, where does this road lead to. We'll take some photo shoots and then move out. This road, you know, it is not shown in Google Map. God knows where we'll reach. No idea where this leads to. Maybe we'll find some secret place. I think there is a way here. This looks like a no man's land. Came to the... Actually, this is very different. Oh my god, the roads are messed up. Actually, as per Google, it showed this is a dead end. Google Mataji wants to take us through some dumb shit road. Look at this road, man. This is not even a road.